Hello, welcome to the video tutorial of Blender. In this video we are going to solve the problem of dragging and dropping any object or any body into the scene. The problem is whenever you drag this body uh, uh, over any body into the scene, it will fluctuate at its location. So this is happen because if you are using some completed project which is done by someone else, then the person who completed the project, he used this magnet button feature here, which allows the body to stick to the edges, vertices, faces, and so to match with the face to face, edge to edge. For this magnet button is turned on. You can turn this off, your issue will be solved. For example, if I use this as a increment, now you can see this is happen, and if I turn this off, I can drag it like this. If I turn this on, you can see this. So this is how this is helpful whenever you use this to make or assemble any component with the another body. So this will be helpful. This is how you can do it instead of dragging and dropping, which is also helpful. So this is how you can solve this issue. And if you have any problem, any issue regarding this Blender, comment in the comment box. I will upload more videos on this. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.